We take you to the streets of South Africa, where the COVID-19 mass screening and testing campaign in Mpumalanga has been marred by violence. It's alleged that some community health officials that visited several homes in the Nkomazi area were attacked by community members yesterday and prevented them from doing their job. Newzroom Africa's Mweli Masilela is in Nkomazi today to monitor the COVID-19 screening and testing campaign. Mweli, very good morning. We understand that there were challenges yesterday. What's happening today?
Good morning to you, Paul, and the viewers. Yes, we are coming to you live from the Nkomazi area here in Mpumalanga. This is a rural community consisting of about 54 villages, and we're at one of the villages called Nkomazi. And as you can see behind me, already there are some community health workers that will be going house to house from this community, screening and also testing those showing signs of COVID-19. But as you mentioned in the introduction, yes, we received some communication from the Nkomazi municipality raising concerns about the manner in which some of the community health workers were treated yesterday. We are told that some of the health workers were pelted with stones and also some dogs set on them. So that is a concern that is being raised by the municipality, saying that the community should actually cooperate and work with these community health workers in order to make sure that they are assisted. Also, another issue when we speak to some community members, well, they've been raising concerns about the lack of basic services, especially the issue of water, saying that, well, they understand that during this time, government has been emphasizing to say that they must wash their hands and all those safety precautions, but they are finding it difficult because this rural community is also facing that problem of lack of clean drinking water.
Now, with the challenges of water, also, just realizing and reflecting on the cases in Mpumalanga, we heard of one case in the mines coming out positive of COVID-19. In terms of the general sentiment and understanding of COVID-19 as well as its impact, what is that doing to the community members in Mpumalanga? How are they reacting to it?
Well, you'll know that so far 21 cases, confirmed cases here in Mpumalanga have been recorded, and the concern is that in this part of the country, which is the Nkomazi area, already there are 7 cases, and when we've been reporting about this issue of COVID-19, the concern has been that people were saying that it mustn't reach the rural communities because many people reside here. We know that already there is some supermarkets, one supermarket which is used by many people to buy groceries this side. It has been closed after some cases were reported. We also know that in this side of the Nkomazi area, there was also a clinic that was temporarily closed, and there was some disinfection that was done there, and it was reopened. So the people here are concerned, and seemingly there are those who have got enough information about the coronavirus who are saying that, well, they're always getting the news from the media in terms of what is expected, and also following the media briefings conducted by the ministers at national level. So most of the people do have the information, but now it's the issue of getting those basic services, especially the issue of water. But we know that a week ago, the Deputy Minister of Human Settlements, Water and Sanitation, David Mahlobo, was here to launch some water projects, and we know that already there is a rollout of these water tankers. There's also a rollout of boreholes. So residents are hoping that all of them, perhaps those that are affected, those who are in need of the water, they will be reached.